Hey everyone, I will try to make the videos under 2 minutes. So we're going to be starting with the zkhack's zk whiteboard sessions. So that is going to be the model 1. Let's get it over with. So let's start with SNARK. What the heck is SNARK? SNARK is a succinct, the argument is going to be succinct, non-interactive argument of knowledge. Succinct means it's going to be short, non-interactive, it has to be in just one go, and argument of knowledge, actually the prover knows it. Okay, what is actually SNARK? SNARK is actually, it says one proof. It says that I know this statement is true. What it does is there's going to be prover, there's going to be verifier. Prover tries to say, hey, this is a true statement, and the verifier should technically verify it. So in that means succinct, the proof that the prover tries to send has to be small, and non-interactive means it has to just send in once. And the argument of knowledge, prover actually has to know the information that is true. That's the main concept. So let's going to be talking about the math concept. First is going to be arithmetic circuit. What is arithmetic circuit? Technically, we can think of it as the language of SNARK. What is going to be is it's just the directed acyclic graphs. It's going to look like this in the picture, and what it does, it just technically expresses polynomial expressions in a graphic way. And another mathematical concept is argument systems. So what the argument system is going to be two parties trying to prove a statement, one party, another party. And in our concept, it's going to be non-interactive processing argument system. This is what's used in the SNARK. So we're going to have a setup process which helps us to generate public parameters, which is going to be used in the prover, which is going to be used in the verifier as well. And we're going to have prover. Prover will have the public parameter, public statement, and we're going to have the witness, which is going to be secret information from this one true statement. And we're going to generate the proof. We will send it to the verifier. Verifier will have this public parameter generated, and it has to accept or reject. So that's the mathematical concept. This is going to be in the argument system. There are different systems, but this is how it's used. And let's talk about SNARK's criteria. Completeness, soundness, zero knowledge. Okay, what is completeness? What is complete? It technically says that prover knows the actual information. Honest prover, if it is broken, the system will be broken. Even if you provide the correct information, it will not accept it, so it's broken. And the soundness is a cheating prover, which means even though if you don't, you should actually have the information. Whatever the proof you are providing should not be accepted just by randomly. What it means is, let's say another analogy I can give is, if you have the password, you are trying to log in, but you should not be able to randomly type any password and log in. You should actually know it. If this soundness is broken, it means system security is broken. Anyone can generate the, oh my god, okay, anyone can generate the public, anyone can generate proof, and they will be able to get it verified. And zero knowledge part is prover should not get any info about the witness, so which is aka the secret information. So that's it. I think it was quite clear. Well, that's all for today. See you tomorrow.